Hey guys, Ryan Wilkerson, Director of Growth here with the Dave Friedman team at Keller Williams Real Estate in Charleston, South Carolina. I wanted to shoot a quick video today to talk about how you can make more money, like a six-figure salary with less hustle in 2025. Making six figures in real estate is the dream, right? It's why most of us got into this business. Who wouldn't want to earn a solid income while building financial freedom? Real estate has long been a proven path to wealth. But the truth is, success doesn't come overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and the right strategies to turn that dream into a reality. Oftentimes, it's not even about you. Sometimes you're in a situation where you don't have much leverage or you don't have enough opportunity. The circumstances, your current team or current brokerage, may be limiting you. You don't have time, resources, or energy to tackle everything you need to do, so it may simply be a matter that you're in the wrong environment. And the right environment could change everything in your real estate business. We've all heard stories about people who struggle to break into real estate. Time constraints, uncertainty, where to start, that can hold a lot of motivated individuals back. Some people balance 9-to-5 jobs, you have families to take care of, other responsibilities, managing your normal daily obligations. Finding time to build a real estate business can feel nearly impossible if you don't know where to start. On top of all of that, right, let's not forget about the financial investment that it takes to get started. Marketing expenses, CRM, technology costs, brokerage fees, all these initial startup costs can add up fast. You basically start already in the hole. And the pressure of stretching limited resources can make the dream of breaking into real estate feel like it's completely out of reach for you. But here's the thing, success stories are born from persistence and finding creative ways to work within your limitations. Sometimes it's about starting small, carving out time wherever you can, and seeking guidance from those who've been in your shoes. The road might not be the easiest, but with determination and even the smallest steps forward can lead to very, very big results. This is where joining a team with a proven track record can make all the difference. The Dave Friedman team has over 26 years of experience, and we've built a system that helps agents like you not only convert leads into deals, but also build lasting clients, relationships that will feed your real estate business for years. When you join our team, you're gonna get access to unlimited qualified leads. You're gonna get expert training and coaching. You're gonna get plugged into a proven system to help you close deals faster, and you're going to receive 10 to 12 appointments pre-vetted and set for you every single month. So in order to achieve six figures in real estate, you need to work smarter, not harder, and here are a couple of strategies that can help. Number one, you need to leverage technology. Automating tasks saves time. It increases your efficiency. With tools provided by us here at the Dave Friedman team, you'll never waste hours on tedious processes. We equip you with the best CRM systems and follow-up tools to ensure that no opportunities are ever missed. Number two, focus on high leverage activities. Instead of spending time cold calling or door knocking, concentrate on showings, listings, and offers. Right? Our system takes care of finding and qualifying leads for you, so you can focus on closing deals and building relationships. Become an expert in a niche. Specializing in one area, right? Like luxury homes or investment properties. This helps you stand out in a competitive market. With our expert training and coaching, you'll get the skills needed to dominate your chosen niche, attract more clients, and make smarter decisions that lead to greater profits. And four, you gotta outsource and delegate, right? Free up time by delegating tasks to our support team. From administrative tasks to marketing campaigns, we have got you covered. This allows you to focus on the activities that drive results and build your business and nothing else. Our system ensures that you're never chasing unqualified prospects. With 10 to 12 pre-vetted appointments set for you every month, you're gonna meet motivated buyers and sellers who are ready to work with you. Imagine selling 9 homes in your first 90 days. And doing it without cold calls, door knocking, open houses, soliciting friends and family. By mastering a specific niche and leveraging the resources of the Dave Friedman team, you'll create a unique value proposition that sets you apart from your competition. This not only attracts more clients, but also helps you build trust and credibility, turning one-time transactions into long-term relationships and therefore long-term business acquisition for years to come. We are currently overloaded with new clients. Our agents simply cannot handle anymore. That's why we're offering the opportunity to bring on 5 new agent partners. If you're ready to turn your leads into deals, grow your business, and achieve a six-figure income, don't wait. Call us now or go to davefriedmancoaching.com to get started on your journey of selling 9 homes in 90 days. Your future in real estate starts here with proven systems, expert training, and endless opportunities that you need to succeed.